it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for something to keep your little kitty fur baby busy while they're inside, then you're gonna love this truly random laser cat toy from YVE Life. This is my 6-year-old cat, Elsie. She's an indoor-outdoor cat, and it can be difficult to find toys that she's actually interested in. So it was really nice to be able to use inside the house. It kept her occupied and happy, but also we had some fun with her outside when it was getting darker, and she was going crazy for it, just trying to chase it all over the place. I also took it to a friend's house who fosters kittens, and she just absolutely loved it too. Not only is it quiet, it doesn't make noise while it turns like other laser toys do, but also because of the random trajectory, it really keeps cats interested. It'll kind of disappear and go to a different spot, and they're looking around trying to find it. It keeps them very active and very involved. My cat was also intrigued by the toy itself. She seemed a little affronted that I had another cat in the house, but she got used to it. I love that this keeps our cats entertained, and it has modes for different types of cats. So if you have a slower cat, an older cat, or one that is super hyperactive, it has modes for all of those. Your cat's gonna love it, you're gonna love it because it's gonna keep them occupied, and that's my point of view.